Welcome to the podcast. Today we are gonna ask our principal ma'am about would you rather do this or that. Today I am here with all of my 8th grade friends and let's go.
Ma'am, would you rather meet a scientist or an astronaut?
I would like to meet an astronaut because I'm very sure astronaut himself or herself also will be a scientist.
Ma'am, would you discover a new world in a new planet or a new animal species?
New planet, because if I'll discover new planet, I think we will have a lot of new species there.
Would you rather to be famous about your kindness or intelligence?
Intelligence without kindness is of no use. So kindness.
Would you rather have extra sports period or extra activity periods?
Extra activity period with lot of sports in that.
Would you rather be an inventor or an explorer?
I think explorer so that I can explore and invent new things.
Would you rather learn music or painting?
So the answer to this is both, but I think music, I'll go for music.
Ma'am, would you rather to play football or chess?
It's monsoon season right now, right? So I'll prefer playing football because football and monsoon are lethal combinations.
Ma'am, would you rather visit the space or the deep ocean?
This is a pretty interesting one and tricky also. Though, if given a chance for me, space and deep ocean both are equally important. But if I have to choose one, space.
Would you rather study history or science?
Okay, let me quickly ask you, when we study about our ancient monuments, right? Which subject is that? History, right? So I feel when we are studying about monument, it's complete science. How can you create such a beautiful monument without knowing your math and science, right? You need to know the height, the circumference, you need to know the weather condition, you need to know which stone to use, which stone will stay, which stone will erode. So for me, I do not believe in, compartmentalizing the subject that this is science, this is math, this is humanities, this is art. I think we need to study all that in totality. So for me, science and history both are important. So we have to study science and history in collaboration together.
Would you rather speak all the languages or play all the instruments?
I'll prefer to speak all the languages and then play all the languages song using those instruments.
Ma'am, would you rather have no homework for life or have no exam?
So I think you all want the answer to be no exams.
Yes.
So let's go with no exams.
Ma'am, would you rather plant 100 trees or clean a beach?
Plant 100 tree any day, today, tomorrow, forever.
Would you rather learn dance or learn martial arts?
Martial arts.
Have a pet dog or have a pet rabbit?
If I have to tell about my belief, so rather than having a pet dog or pet rabbit, I know there are some expenses also when you keep a pet. I would rather prefer to sponsor few students' education. That's my belief.
What would you like to have a holiday in every month or shorter days in school days?
An extra holiday every month.
Would you rather want a super creativity or super memory?
Super memory. That will help me retain my creativity.
Ma'am, would you always ask and grade a question or have an great answer?
I'll prefer to ask an intelligent question.
Ma'am, would you rather read books or watch documentaries?
This is very interesting, though I love both. But if I have to choose one, I think I'll go with books.
Ma'am, would you rather spend a day with your favorite teacher or favorite sports person?
Favorite teacher.
Would you like to learn outdoor or inside a classroom?
I would just like to learn. Inside or outside the classroom doesn't matter.
And would you rather travel across India or around the world?
India first any day. Definitely around the world later.
Would you rather have unlimited books or unlimited sport equipments?
Unlimited, unlimited, unlimited books.
Would you rather travel to the past or to the future?
Very interesting question, but I will neither like to go to past or future because I prefer present. For me, present is you. You all are a part of present and I love this present. So I would like to work with you, alongside you, for you. So for me, students first. So present, present and present.
Would you rather to eat only restaurant food or eat only homemade food?
Homemade food any day. What your mother makes is the best food in the world. Today you might not realize that, but when you will grow up, you will go to different places to study and work. You will relish that taste. So please give importance to your homemade food. That's the best. Yes, once in a while we can go to have food in restaurant, but homemade food any day. For entire life, I can eat homemade food even if I don't go out.
Would you like to visit every state in India or all continents?
Always India first, but I will not leave other continents also.
Ma'am, would you like to live near the mountains or near the beaches?
Lush green mountains.
Ma'am, would you rather fly or breathe underwater?
So I have done flying for 3 years, almost 3 years. I also had a glider pilot license when I was in college because I was in Air Wing NCC and I used to do flying. So now I'll choose going underwater.
Ma'am, would you rather spend a week camping or in a science lab?
Camping. Because when you go for camping, you can recreate your own science lab there.
And would you rather visit a museum or a wildlife sanctuary?
Since I'm a nature lover, I think I will visit a wildlife sanctuary.
Thank you, Principal Ma'am, for your amazing and interesting answers.
Ma'am, we really enjoyed your beautiful answers, which gave us a thought and to think about.
Now, to the audience, which answers would you pick after watching the video?
Also, comment your favorite question in the comment box.
So thank you, students. I think your questions were really challenging and difficult, and picking up one was not that easy, though I tried my best. And I did share with you something which I personally believe. You might have thought of some other answer, but I think being honest is what we believe in Sanjeevani World Schools. So thank you once again. Your questions were really very, very interesting. And we sign up for today, right? See you soon in our next episode. Thank you so much.